Hello, hello. What are today's messages? Making peace. In the midst of adversity lies the path to self-discovery, profound, genuine, and risk. Love illuminates the essence of, and therefore, the lovability of others. This is because love opens the heart. The mind thinks and argues, but the heart knows and continues. The mind can be critical and disagree, but the heart is loving no matter what. The heart does not put any conditions on what's out there. Only the mind does that. Love makes no demands. Everybody wants to be a part of something bigger than themselves, but no one wants to be themselves. For today, instead of conforming to the status quo, be unapologetically you. Being human means there will always be one thing that we can relate on. Is there someone you dislike? What problems do you think they face? Is there any way you can relate to them? There is no satisfaction that can compare with looking back across the years and finding you've grown in self-control, judgment, generosity, and unselfishness. Make a mental map of your path through life, from infancy up through today. How far have you come? My body is a manifestation of my energetic state. Number 3. Explaining or expanding inner power. I am my most powerful when my creativity is given a voice. And the animal spirit today: humpback whale, singer. Sing healing songs for the world. Your inner navigation always guides you. Nothing can stop you or keep you from your goal. Align with your purpose and the power in your soul. Alrighty, what are today's quotes? Stop looking back. That's why you have all those neck problems. I don't want to do a thing today. I did a thing yesterday, and that's enough things. No one should have to reach crisis for you to believe their distress. Find time for deep talks, space for just you, trying new things, movement, and nature. Expressing what's on your mind, maintaining important friendships. There are hearts that do not know how to hate, no matter how much they have been wronged. Are you one? Yeah, you're cute, but do animals feel comfortable around your energy? Oh, yeah. People will be jealous of your light, but not the darkness you went through to get there. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.